Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with the Vivo T3. This sleek device packs some impressive features, and we're here to break it down for you. The Vivo T3 is a powerful Android smartphone that was released in March 2024. Let's take a closer look at its key specifications. Display. With a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen. The Vivo T3 offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1800 nits. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU and 8 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Camera setup, main camera. The dual rear camera setup includes a 50MP wide lens OIS and a 2MP depth sensor. Expect detailed shots and impressive low-light performance. Selfie camera. On the front, there's a 16MP wide lens for capturing great selfies. Battery and charging. The 5000 mAh non-removable battery. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Until next time, stay connected.